Yeah, I'm a graduate of the Koch Center. The best way to describe it is kind of like graduate training for dentists. I'm very lucky that they're right in Seattle, just a couple hours north. People fly from all over the country, fly from all over the world to go attend their coursework. Pretty rigorous. It's like getting an MBA from Harvard or some other famous business school. People that go there are spending their own time and their own finances to just be better at what we're doing. And the Koch Center is kind of like a guiding light. One of their logos is a lighthouse, and they spend a lot of time doing research. None of it is funded. It's all independently funded on techniques, materials, and then they distill it all down with all the known research that's been done by them and around the world, and put it in a kind of an organized curriculum. That has really helped, me become a much better dentist. I mean, there's just no question it was the best choice I've made in my career. I started going maybe a little over 10 years in practice, and at that point, you're doing a lot of repetitive work, and there's a lot of conflicting information that's out about techniques, materials. It's very hard for you to figure out, well, what should I use? We don't just use products where somebody comes in and says, hey, we've got a 50% discount if you buy a 2-for-1. It's not how we choose our products and our materials, and certainly not how we do our dentistry. They pull together clinicians from all over the world with adjunct courses in implants and wellness dentistry that you can take as well. And then every year they've had a symposium, which usually attracts about 400 to 500 people. They'll have a electronic, the old days, you'd have a 3-ring binder with material in there. Those days are gone for most of us, but now they have a 600-page electronic manual which reviews every year all the techniques, all the materials, wonderful. And guess what? With active links right in your manual, if you need to look at the research, you want to see a video how to do the technique, it's all right there. And you build upon what you know and you keep building. And so I get teased sometimes by my patients. They say, when are you going to stop practicing dentistry? Because they mean, when are you going to stop practicing? I go, it's always practice. You're practicing on a base and you're adding to it to try to deliver excellence. And that's really our goal in practice, always has been. I can't ever guarantee people, my patients, they ask sometimes for kind of an absolute, and I just let them know, we're doing something that can't be guaranteed, but the one thing I'll guarantee you is I'm going to give you my very best, and that's what we try to do every day.